Okay, today we are doing a snap action thermodisc demonstration. So this is a snap action thermodisc. They come in different sizes and shapes and different temperature ratings, which is important to remember if you find one that has failed. You see the information printed on it there. You always want to look at that when you're buying a replacement snap action thermodisc. And it's basically a simple switch that is thermally activated. You'll find these inside of furnaces, inside of fan coil units, on electric heaters. So you can see right now we have continuity through the switch. So we'll set it up now on this metal box so I can safely heat it up with my torch. And again, you can see we do have continuity going through this snap action thermodisc switch. So when I heat it up with my torch, that thermodisc inside the switch there is going to pop up, opening the circuit. And what that would do inside of a furnace or an electric heater, it would shut the equipment off for safety if it got too hot for some reason. We'll use a temp gun so we can monitor the temperature as it goes up. I believe this one opens right around 140 Fahrenheit. Again, it's printed on the switch so you can find out that information. So once this switch gets hot enough, it will open, and then we can verify that with our meter on the continuity setting. About 120 degrees right now Fahrenheit. We're almost there. And 30. So these are vital safety switches in HVAC equipment. So let's take our meter now. And you can see OL on the meter, so this is open. So it got hot enough that that snap action disc opened the circuit. So I hope this demonstration clarifies how to diagnose a faulty snap action thermodisc to check and see if it's working properly. So this one's working properly. It heated up to its set point where it's supposed to open, and it did indeed open. So this switch is good. Woo! And now it's starting to cool back down. It also has a specific temperature where it will close the circuit and reset again. So we'll give it a few minutes to cool down, and then we'll come back and check with our meter. Right now you can still see it's open. Okay, it's been a few minutes. And now you can see we have continuity again. So the switch has closed again because it's gotten cool enough. I hope this information helps you. If your facility is professional, here is a handbook that is available on Amazon.com in paperback and ebook format. The link for this book is in the video description below. It's a great reference guide and training guide for facility professionals. Has common shop equipment drawings, shop documents, troubleshooting steps, formulas, etc. Again, in the description of this video below. And if you're looking for facilities maintenance specific stickers, there's a link in the video description below for these stickers. It's a website that I put up specifically for facilities maintenance professionals that need stickers. You can order as many or as few as you need for your facility. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.